We're going to talk about that in a minute. 99 for us, 92 in Rockport, 101 in Beeville. On the other side of Gonzales, Nixon, San Antonio, all those areas had high temperatures into the hundreds today. Look at that. Let's go down I-35, 105 in Dallas, Waco, 104, Austin, San Antonio, and 109 down in Laredo. So everybody inland is dealing with this. And this is forecast highs for tomorrow, still maybe a degree warmer. We're going to be hovering, of course, around the 100-degree mark. We don't get as hot because of our humidity and our proximity to the ocean. And as Don mentioned earlier, Lavaca County, Goliad County, Refugio County, and part of Aransas are having the burn ban. So this is not a good time to be out there burning any kind of brush, and even, you know, the hot exhaust on a car may cause a problem if you're going through high brush. So farmers know about that. You got to take care of your pastures, and hopefully we can minimize any kind of fire danger around our area. One little shower way up here in Lubbock. That's about all we've got in the entire state. Otherwise, it is hot and it is bad. Now, the advisories obviously continue for our areas, not only for today, but for tomorrow as well, and probably for the foreseeable future. You're asking, well, how long could this last? I'm still looking at 7 to 10 days. So there's not a whole lot of movement here, and advisories are now, as I mentioned, expanding north into Kansas, west into the western states, and we'll do it again one more time. Death Valley, California, which is 200 feet below sea level, which is the desert, and they're always hot, but they're forecast to go to 129 on Saturday. So it could easily hit the 130-degree mark, and that's just part of the changing planet that we live on. So the heat dome is basically over the southwest now, and we're part of it, and that's not good. But Friday, we go on up to Friday, but on Saturday, Sunday, it's forecast to move over Texas. Therefore, we may go up a degree or two. Now, here's what I was talking about. Fishermen are probably going to be real concerned about this because I know you guys care about the waters. And here are the waters off the coast of Florida. 85, 90-degree water at Key West. That is not good. In fact, some places along the shallow bays of the western Florida were in the mid-90s yesterday and today. So what does that mean? It means, I can tell you what it means. There's going to be a fish kill. I can tell you there's going to be an algae bloom. And I can tell you some of the beautiful reefs are going to start getting bleached because of that water temperature being so warm. So this is all part of the world we're living in now. And there you can see all this in purple. These are 90-degree waters. It's rather unbelievable. This map courtesy of University of Miami. All right, we do have one tropical storm in the Pacific. It's going away from land, no major problem there. For those of you in Port Lavaca, we start off at 84, get to 94. At least the breeze is blowing, and that sort of helps out. For those of you in the Cuero area, we're starting at 90, getting up to 99. And for all of us, we're going to be hovering at about 98, 99 to 100 all the way through the weekend. In fact, as I mentioned, beginning Monday, Tuesday, we may inch up a degree or two because of the pressure that's on top of us. That is your 7-day forecast. I want to remind everybody we do have a QR code. Want you to scan that and put all the weather bulletins on Crossroads Today on your phone. We'll toss it back to Karina.